My name is Matt Urso, and I live in the South Baltimore neighborhood of Baltimore, Maryland, commonly referred to as the Federal Hill area. I've been working with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland for approximately 10 years and have completed 6 major projects and countless smaller projects. It all started when I was shopping for windows. I met John and Mary Rose Capozzi at the home show in Baltimore City at the Convention Center. And I was shopping for windows. I had 7 companies come to the house and give different high-pressure sales tactics. I said, I was just looking to get the best quality product. I had people, this is your price if you pay today, this is your price if you talk to my boss, this is my price in 30 days, or this is our price in a year. And I said, I'm just gathering information. I want the best quality product to take care of my problem. My problem, in addition to energy efficiency, was noise. I wanted sound insulating windows because of the proximity to Interstate 95 and the downtown core. Well, they got the job and they did it right. And they made sure that they did not give up until the water leaks had stopped. It turned out the water leak was caused by improperly installed flashing on the deck above a back door. Anyway, a few years later, we had a small bedroom fire in my daughter's room. Nobody was injured, mostly smoke damage, but the hardwood floor was burned up. John and his team came over the next morning and sent his carpenters to help restore the hardwood floor so we could help get my daughter back into her bedroom and help restore her life to normal. I highly recommend John and Mary Rose Capozzi and the entire Remodeling Wizards of Maryland team. They hire veterans, they hire good people. John is free to give you my cell phone number, my email address, my social media connections, my home address. Come on over, we'll have a drink. I'll show you the product, I'll show you what I learned through the process. My name is Matt Urso, and I appreciate your time. Have a great day.
Thank you, Jim. Appreciate you.
And we will continue this video as we progress, but this is the starting point of this.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Good.